In today's video, I am going to teach you how to use Zapier with Shopify. To get started, log into your Zapier account. Once you are on the main dashboard, click Create Zap. In some versions of the interface, you may also see a Create option where you can choose Zap Automated Workflows. Both paths take you to the same setup area where you will build the automation step by step. Next, choose Shopify as your trigger app. The trigger is what starts the automation, so this is where you tell Zapier to watch your Shopify store for a specific event. After selecting Shopify, choose the trigger event that fits the workflow you want to create. This could be something like a new order, a new customer, or another supported Shopify event, depending on your goal. After that, connect your Shopify account. Zapier will ask for your store's My Shopify URL and then prompt you to authorize the connection. This permission step allows Zapier to securely access the store data needed for the automation. Make sure you are connecting the correct store before moving on. Once the account is connected, test the trigger. This is an important step because it pulls in recent data from your Shopify store and lets you confirm that Zapier is reading the information correctly. If the test works, you will usually see sample data appear, which you can use in the next part of the setup. Now move on to the action event. In this example, the action is email. The action is what happens after the Shopify trigger runs, so this is where you define the result of the automation. After selecting the email action, map the Shopify data fields into the email step. This means choosing which Shopify details, such as customer information or order data, should be inserted into the correct parts of the email. Take your time here, because accurate field mapping is what makes the workflow useful and reliable. When the mapping is complete, test the action. This helps you confirm that the data is transferring correctly from Shopify into the email step. If everything looks right, the final step is to publish the Zap. Publishing activates the workflow, so it can start running automatically in the background. Once it is live, Zapier will handle the process for you whenever the selected Shopify trigger occurs. That covers everything you need to know.